Subscribe to Dexter and press the bell icon and select all to get notified whenever we upload a video. Hi guys, welcome back on another video. So today I'm going to unbox the Lenovo Legion 5 10 Gen Intel Core i7 gaming laptop. So watch this video till the end, and before starting this video make sure you hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries on this video, then you can comment down or text me on Instagram by following me at @Sadashiv. So now let's start with this video. So guys, as you can see in the front, they have branded the laptop. So now let's open this box. So guys, I want to say that the packaging is very good. So now let's open this. As you can see guys, this one is the laptop. Let's keep this aside. And guys, here you get the charging cable, and these are some user manuals, and this is the charging adapter. So guys, as you can see, here's the package of the laptop. So now let's take out the laptop from this packet. So guys, as you can see, in the right side they have written Legion, and in the left side they have written Lenovo. So now let's talk about the specifications and then let's boot up the laptop. So guys, now let's talk about some main ports of this laptop. So guys, first of all, in the right side here you get the ventilation slot. This is the USB type A slot, this is the Novo button slot, and this is the power indicator. So guys, first of all, in the back side here you get two ventilation slots. This is the Ethernet slot, this is the USB type C slot. These both are the USB type A slot. This is the HDMI slot, this is the charging slot, and this is the Kensington lock. And guys, here you get an charging indicator. So guys, in the left side here you get an ventilation slot. This is the USB type A slot, this is the headphone jack. So guys, in the back side here you get three grips for the laptop. This is the cooling pad, and in the right and in the left here you get two speakers. So guys, now in the front side here you get the touchpad or the mouse, and this is the keyboard. This is the power button. Here you get an camera, and this is the camera shutter button, as you can see guys. And these are the two microphone, and this is the camera light. When you press the function and the space button, you will get to see this light. As you can see guys, you can change it in the two modes, 1, 2 and off. So guys, now let's talk about some main specifications of this laptop. So guys, in this you'll get 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, using which you can play various games, edit videos and do other works without any lag, and this has 12 MB smart cache. So guys, if we talk about the operating system, this has preloaded Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. So guys, if we talk about the display, here you get 15.6-inch Full HD display with 250 nits and 120 Hz refresh rate. And if we talk about the memory and storage, here you get 8 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD plus 256 GB SSD storage, and you will get NVIDIA GTX 1654 GB graphics card for smooth performance, and the RAM can be upgraded up to 24 GB. And now let's talk about the design and the battery. So guys, this laptop weighs up to 2.5 kg, and the battery life will get up to 8 hours, and also you get rapid charging pro, which means your laptop will be charged up to 50% in 30 minutes. And guys, here you get two Harman speakers with Dolby Atmos. So guys, for security you don't get any fingerprint scanner, and only you can set password or pin. So guys, at last, if we talk about the warranty, then in this genuine Lenovo laptop you will get 1 year on-site domestic warranty from Lenovo covering manufacturing defects. So guys, at last I want to say that this is the best laptop for playing various games, editing videos, do coding or programming and daily works. So now let's test the sound quality and the video quality. So guys, now let's play and song and test the audio quality.
There are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not.
So guys, as you have heard the sound quality of this laptop, I want to say that this has best sound quality. So now let's try playing any game. So guys, now let's play the Asphalt 9 Legends. So guys, as you have seen the gameplay, so guys, at last time to say that this is the best laptop for playing games, editing videos and do coding or programming, and this will give you an best performance without any lag. And guys, the MRP of this laptop is 1,25,000. If you get any offer, you can get this laptop under 90,000. And guys, you can get this laptop from online or offline store. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you guys.